Sharai, Anatole, Anatole, my always and forever. When I held your gaze for the very first time, it was like I knew you time before remembrance. Your presence drenched me until I swam in it like a river. Anatole, my always and forever. Your sweet breath fanned my face and I drew in your fragrance. A prickling excitement began at the point of our contact. Tingled up, drunk inside. The desire pounded and poured like flood water, sweeping away all objections. You are my end and my beginning. Anatole, my always and forever. My loneliness trembled in harmonic rapture as you quenched my desert to loneliness. Hope crept into my belly, swelling like a sponge in warm water. Anatole, my always and forever. You are a watering ribbon teeming with life. Anatole, my love for you consumed me like a forest fire, and I gave over to the sensation, my always and forever. Anatole.